Welcome back, подписчики! Right now I have only 3 of you, but I hope it changes soon. Today we are going to do some POV photography using, I think, this lens that I'm shooting with right now, 24-70, and it's quite foggy outside. It was sunny today, but when I came to shoot it became like this. But it's okay. I'm going to use my presets for that. I hope you like the result. Let's go! So let's start with this bridge that you saw on my introduction. Okay, we're changing to photo mode first, of course. Maybe horizontal first, like that. Wait for the right moment. Let's make a bit of zoom. And about this zoom, I'm using crop and aspect ratio 1.6. It's like APS-C cropping ratio for full frame cameras. Very useful actually. It's converting full frame to 1.6. It's converting full frame sensor to crop sensor, and you can shoot further away. Switching off aspect ratio change, going back to full frame. By the way, I'm using aperture priority mode so that I'm not thinking about changing all the settings all the time. It saves massive amount of time for you. Oh, look at that. You can't go there because the ice is very thin right now. It's around plus 2 degrees and it's very dangerous. So yeah, be careful in Riga. I really like how this stone bridge looks right now. So I want to take more pictures of it. We are going to stop down a little bit. 6.3 will do, I think. Let's go climb it up and see what we can have there. A cyclist in the fog. It's like the hedgehog in the fog. Ёжик в тумане. Okay, I've got this runner. Maybe one more. Like that, okay. I'll get into it. Actually, at first I didn't like the thing that it got really foggy really fast because it was sunny. But now I'm looking at these landscapes. So clean, beautiful, mysterious too. Right now I'm trying to catch those long car trails. Aperture is 9, exposure is 1/4. And ISO is 160. There we can see Dom Cathedral's tower that is completely in fog, but it looks amazing. If we could avoid this lamppost from this side, maybe like that, vertical shot. Look at this baby. It's like hiding from us. Let's try to shoot with long exposure here as well. Maybe f9. Exposure 1/4. And ISO 100. Boom. Okay, we need more cars. Waiting for more. Let's go to manual mode. Let's see, no cars right now. Okay, red one. Not good. Actually, at the moment it's rush hour, so there must be plenty of cars. I'd like to get some colorful one on frame, because they look much more interesting than just simple ones. Of course, we don't have red buses like in London, or yellow taxis like in New York, but alright. I don't know, not enough cars. Okay, I'm seeing two people posing. Too late, alright. Maybe we can get this guy instead of them. It's Big Kristap. Latvian stuff, alright. We can frame that tower behind him so that he looks more interesting. Yep, that will do. So there we will see the Vanšu tiltu. It's the most famous Latvian bridge with, how they call it in English. It will be here below. It's looking pretty amazing in fog. I really love it. But I think it's too much, too foggy for this bridge to shine. Now we got underneath this bridge, and man, how epic it looks. Look at that. I just love it. Riga's perla in fog. I wish I could see this once a bit more. It's too foggy right now. Okay, let's go there and shoot this side. Or maybe we can stop here a little bit. Damn, it's beautiful. It's like the bridge was photoshopped out of this world. Look at this person. It's like The person is in eternity, in oblivion somewhere. He or she is going so fast. Well, let's see. Okay. You can see those ones there, but well, okay, we're almost there. Let's see if we can shoot some masterpiece shot. Birds flying. Oh, they disappeared. Okay, we have reached our ones, and the car lights are very beautiful right now. And this lonely person. Okay, too many cars. So guys, I think the last frame will be shooting with these ones on long exposure with the long car trail lights. And here my GoPro 8 decided to have a nap, so I'm left with all this footage how I was making these shots, but here's a little slideshow for you. By the way, this shot I like the most out of this series. I don't know why, but those red lights plus blue color, I don't know, I just like to look at it. Well, and after I decided to turn off my camera, I found these two shots. One of them is here, and the other one is bench with two warm lights. So thanks for being with me during this foggy day. I hope you like the shots. You can see them all in my Patreon link down below. And don't forget to subscribe if you like. Thank you!